Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm Alicia Safia and today I will be presenting a book review on Shavina, written by Lau Sindeng. Shavina is an experienced storybook first published in 2006. This book tells the story of an Indian girl named Priya who went to excel in singing. This story is not captivating but also delivers meaningful listen to its readers. This book tells the story of Priya who wants to impress her parents with her singing talent. One day, she decided to join a singing contest called Saga Star Search. Through, through her hard work and the unwavering support of her parents, she proved that she can be just capable as her siblings. The central theme of Shavina is perseverance and hard work. Priya is not as good as her sister and brother in the studios. She takes a chance by joining singing contest to prove to her parents that her talent lies in a different area. Then her siblings, she practiced very hard and eventually becomes the winner of the competition. One, one of the most exciting scenes in the book is when Priya announced as the winner of the singing competition. She had almost lost hope and never expected that she would win, and what makes this sense more exciting is when her sister cheers loudly for her in the middle of her hall. The story is told straightforwardly, making it easy for readers to understand and follow Priya's journey. This book also includes graphics that make storytelling more engaging and easier to understand. This storyline may be too predictable and lack of conflict. I personally like this book because it proves that with effort and the courage to do something, we can achieve success. The moral value of this story is success cannot be achieved through talent alone but requires hard work. In conclusion, this book is an excellent read and I highly recommend it, especially for students, as it instills important moral value and meaningful life lesson through its engaging storytelling. Readers can learn about perseverance, courage, and the importance of hard work in achieving success. That's all from me. Thank you.